This is our mesh deck circular loom used to make the mesh deck fabric. We use this structure to make our bags. They have two kinds of yarn. And first we can see this is a flat yarn and this is a round yarn. So you can use one yarn put it to our machine or mix it in our machine. 2.2 kilowatts motor. So compared with the older one, we can save the electricity 1 degree per hour. One of our machine can make 2,200 to 2,600 per day fabric. The width from 300 millimeter to 750 millimeters, and we can change the mood to change the width.